Wajir Stadium, brand new stadium, is being completed. As you can see, we are going to celebrate here the Madaraka Day 2026, 1st of June. This is indeed a historical event. This has never happened before, to hold a national day in Wajir County, in northern Kenya. This is quite historical. This is an area that you all understand, which has been marginalized or excluded for over 60 years, even the time of the colonial period. But the government, under the wise leadership of His Excellency William Samoei Ruto, has decided to show the people of Kenya, the people of northern Kenya, that this place, this region, is part of Kenya. So I really want to express my sincere gratitude to the government of Kenya under the leadership of the President, and to the governor of Wajir, who has really, supported this, and the people of Wajir for inviting us and, welcoming us so warmly. As you can see, this is a 10,000 seat stadium. It's going to hold 10,000 people, and this is now the center of Kenya. Almost everybody that I know is in Wajir town today. So I'm really excited. I really want to I'm looking forward to Madaraka Day, to share with the people of Wajir, to share with the people of northern Kenya the joy that I'm feeling today. I'm sure it's going to be a huge day, and I really want also to welcome all the visitors who are coming here. On behalf of all the people of northern Kenya, I want to say asanteni sana, karibuni, and let us enjoy.